Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable, so you want to plug it into your computer. And our device, we'll need to turn that off, so let's just do that right now. Now once the device is off, you want to hold your power button and volume up, and once you start holding those two buttons, you will then immediately plug it in. So I'm gonna grab the phone because it's going to be a little bit easier for me. So power button, volume up, I'm going to start holding them right about now, plug it in. Now when you see the Samsung and then Galaxy, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And this will then boot us into recovery mode. So that is how you'd boot your device into this mode. In here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate either up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which is I believe fast boot mode actually, not a bootloader, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off or repair. So just for a test, I'm gonna select reboot to bootloader just so we can see what that will boot us into. Oh, so now it's a download mode instead. Anyway, here I will need to hold my power button and volume down to reboot the device to leave this mode. But typically, if you are in recovery mode, you just select reboot system now, confirm with the power button, and it will automatically just reboot back into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.